In this video, we're going to talk about the dependency inversion principle and see specifically how the principle is violated in our code. The dependency inversion principle states that compile time dependencies should not flow in the same direction as runtime dependencies, or high-level modules should not depend upon low-level modules, both should depend upon abstractions. In the previous video, we saw that the book service class had a compile time dependency on the book repository class, and that the direction of our compile time dependency is the same as our runtime dependency, from book service to book repository. So according to the first definition of our dependency inversion principle, we can already see the principle is being violated in our code. Also, since the book repository class belongs to the data access layer project and the book service class belongs to the business logic layer project, and book service depends on book repository, the business logic layer project, which is our high level module, contains a project reference to the data access layer project, which is our low level module. So according to the second definition of the dependency inversion principle, which is high level modules should not depend upon low level modules, we can see once again our code violates the principle. Now, a violation of the dependency inversion principle indicates that our code is tightly coupled. That is, the book service class is tightly coupled to the book repository class. In the next video, we'll take a look at tight coupling and its issues.